Let's fast forward now to 2025. Wicked Edge introduced a new standard vise. I'm not looking to spend your money. I'm just telling you that over the years that they produced this, they were working on something better and they finally released it this year. A $75 upgrade, which takes this fixed side vise with the floating side and replaces it with this is like a spring and it's pulled together from the side. So this holds a knife centered and it clamps it from both sides. So it's not by the nature offsetting the knife. By the nature of this, because this side is fixed, the knife is pushed flat against there, which by the physics of the design does give it a slight lean, because you're taking this tapered side and now you're making it vertical, so you're bringing the apex over to the left side. That was what I learned using the Wicked Edge 120, and I spent a lot of years trying to figure out how to keep my bevels straight even though the knife was slightly offset. And I'm not going to get into that discussion now, because the purpose of the discussion is to say that that fight is over. I'm not looking to spend your money. I'm not looking to tell you to buy Wicked Edge's upgrade. This is tough to use. It's tough to get good results when you're working with a guided sharpener system like Wicked Edge that affords you to work within 2 or 3/100ths of a degree setting your angles. You don't want to have any offset to start with, to have to offset or calibrate against or shim over. You want it to stay straight. So Wicked Edge introduced the new vise. The new vise is 2 sections. It's a 2 pieces side by side. So because of that, it handles the distally tapered knives, because it can be one thickness here and one thickness towards the tip. Plus it now has this rubber rest that you can pull down in there, and it comes with multiple ones that support the knife. So it's just easier to use. You use it on your same riser block. So it's just a 120 with a new standard vise. This is their new twin clamp standard vise. It just makes everything easier. It eliminates that blade offset that you had. And you can use this with the leather shims or the cardboard, whatever it takes. But you're starting flat with a support underneath the heel, as opposed to this, you're trying to hold it against the side. It works fine for a long time, but I'm telling you that I have squeezed some enough that I can tell the difference between one vise and the other. So I'm not suggesting to you that your vise is warped or bent. I'm suggesting that that is a possibility. The fight with that vise is over if you choose there's something much easier to use. Okay, I'm going to stop here and I want to go one more step.